In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Nike gift card online. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Nike gift card online is a super simple process that can be done on the website, as I'm demonstrating in this video, or through the latest version of their mobile app. Regardless of which option you prefer, you will find everything listed here, and you will be able to fully utilize your Nike gift card. So, if you want to do this process through the website, all that you have to do is reach checkout. So, choose any of the items available here. To my knowledge, the gift card will be eligible for anything that is available on the store, new releases, old releases, etc. So just go ahead and choose something. When you find something, add the item to your bag or cart, and like I said, proceed to checkout. And if you want to do this process on the app, it is going to be the exact same, so just proceed to checkout. Eventually, when you reach checkout, you will be able to input necessary details. So first, the delivery options, and then under the payment window, where you can choose one of the default payment methods, you will find the option to use the Nike gift card. So what you have to do is tick this box. Do you have a gift card, product voucher, or promo code? And if you click on this little question mark, you will find more information to find the gift card number, a 19-digit card number, and 6-digit PIN. So once you have this number noted down, go ahead and input it here. As you can see, you may use up to 10 gift cards on a single order. A new order should be placed if you have subsequent gift cards to redeem and have already redeemed 10 gift cards on this order. But to summarize, this is all you have to do. Include the gift card number over here, go ahead, click apply, it's going to be verified, and if everything looks okay, you are ready to finish your purchase. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Nike gift card online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.